Welcome into the channel. By the title of the video, you already know what we are about to get into today. So let's get started. We have our crushed red peppers here. We're blending down our garlic, ginger, and onion, and also slicing up yellow onion and red onion. I'm decoring my tomatoes, and I'm also going to de-seed my tomatoes to make my fresh tomato puree. We have our beef tips here and our goat. And my husband is getting started on chopping up the okra.
Because I know they can't do 3 days without food.
They can?
Because of probably Esther is pregnant. They can only do 6 to 6. You understand?
Oh, I see.
Yes. Like the way I used to do my fast before. Now I can do a steak then 6 and eat. So that's how I'm doing it with them.
Now this crab that you see here is already cooked, but of course I'm washing it anyhow. They did not have any smaller sizes, so we decided to just go with what they had. And this is it. My husband explained to me that they have something in Ghana called garden eggs. We do not have that here in the States, or at least where I am. So we decided to go for the substitute using the eggplant. All right, so we're cooking the goat and the beef together. The seasonings that he's using here is some sea salt, some all-purpose seasoning. He's using some cumin, garlic powder, and also some onion powder. Garlic powder. So you need to put the lid on your gun.
Yes, I just want to just
Blend it, mix it well.
yes.
You're adding some onion powder, right? Okay. Gonna add in your ginger, onion, and garlic mixture. Okay. Got it.
Yeah, it's amazing how we don't add water, but at the end of the day, water comes out of it.
Exactly, yeah.
So this, we are not steaming it, we are cooking it because it's a hard meat.
I see.
You understand? So it has to cook very well because this is the only time you are cooking it.
I see. Okay.
I say you have to cook it very well so that it doesn't become tough. It has to be very tender.
Definitely.
Yeah, so
Have the goat falling from the bone. That's
Yeah.
how it should be.
so
Because I was at this African restaurant and the goat was so tough. I couldn't do anything with it.
yes. Probably maybe they didn't cook it.
I'm sure they didn't.
So we are just going to, if you want, you can just add a little bit water. Just a little bit.
Okay. So that was what, probably half a cup.
Yeah.
So you're adding in your, since we don't have garden eggs, you're adding in eggplant and your okra.
See how beautiful this is.
It is. I just don't like the slimy. I don't know how I'm gonna get past
It
that.
is raw. There's a part where we needed our fermented fish.
Will it make a huge difference since we don't?
It
A
won't.
noticeable difference?
It won't. It only add flavor and
I
scent.
see.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remember, you don't like it too hot.
Yeah, so half of the pepper because there's 2 peppers. Are you serious?
I don't think that will be too hot.
Well, you may as well put it all in there. Why would we save that
No,
little bit?
Because I know you. Can you get me? Okay, let me get it.
So this is the tomatoes, the seeds that were blended down. Because nothing goes to waste. And now you're adding in the tomatoes, the diced tomatoes themselves. Alright, so diced tomatoes goes in. Okay, so you're just gonna leave it to okay.
It doesn't look the way you think it is going to look.
No,
So I think you are good to go.
well, that's about 2 teaspoons right there. Is it it? For a little bit more seafood flavor, we're adding the juices from the crab. Alright, as you can see, we are back. We have a much bigger pot here, a gumbo pot. And now we're going to go ahead and add in the okra. Now you're gonna just let it
Yes,
simmer.
yes.
So this is our roasted salmon, smoked salmon, since they didn't have the kind that you guys have in Ghana. All right. All right, I'm gonna let it go now.
He's a godly man. He loved Christ. And guess what?
That turned out really well. I don't see this slime.
I told you.
That's awesome. Okay.
Got you.